In this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can download and install a SuperLive app on your iPhone. So to get started, in the search bar in your app store, you're going to search for SuperLive app, and then this is the one that you want to select, right? So you're going to select get, double click the side button to install it, and then select open. Now in order to sign up your account, you can choose to proceed with Google, sign in with your phone, or Apple, or an email address, or even Twitter, right? So I'm going to go with Google. Continue to log in. If you're going with Google, select the Google account. If you have multiple, select continue. Here you need to specify your username. Then select continue. Specify your date of birth and then select continue. Then on this page, select your gender. Then select continue. Here you can add a profile photo or you can choose to skip. As of recording this video, I was given 8 gifts. Now when you're signing up, this may change, right? So here, I'm just going to select get it. Once you're successfully signed up, you'll be asked to choose your interest, right? So select your interest from the list and then select save. Now you can start watching live streams on the SuperLive app. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.